the zombie virus through sexual contact with an undead simian creature.
Terrible headache.
Please press 2.
Seriously, I need an aspirin.
Okay. Tell him to stand out in the street. And a gay zombie ape party bus will come pick him up. All right. I'll tell him.
I heard. Is that what you think of me? I can't control myself. I have no moral compass because I wasn't raised right. But if you want to get rid of me and my disease and my insatiable appetite for brains and sex with infected animals, then just tell me where to go.
Yeah, out in the street with the zombie bus and the gay gorillas.
Fine.
Where did he go to?
I am going. I am moving. That's what I'm doing. Is that... Yes! It's my people! Let the parade begin!
I call first cigarette.
All right. What? No, wait, the gas leak.